Now, what is maps and scale? What does the map and scale mean? Chalo. And we'll take a similarity. What the maps and scale mean? What happened to Dhruv?
I don't know. His mom phone is not ringing.
Okay, I'll just check. Okay, by the time you just tell me what is maps and scale, what do you mean by maps and scales?
What?
Yeah, tell me.
So like maps shows like like the area and like the scales help you understand like the map.
Area, no, okay. Anything else? Simple. I want to have it a simple language.
Yeah, so a map is like a drawing of the land, okay, whatever is shown, and the area. And then the scale is how you see the map in real world, kind of.
Anybody else? Vivan, can you hear me? Can you speak? I'll try to see whether you can speak. Check to kar beta. Open it. Open the mic. No, I am not ready. Disconnect your this thing. Yeah, headphone. You can put it on chat. I can't disconnect. What? Why? It is inbuilt. Arey, but you are sitting in the everybody sleeping around you or what? You are in your room, right? And I'd speak. Huh? Everybody sleeping around you where you are doing this. Then outside, so it's okay. Na, lock the door. Lock the door and open. Just see why. I just want to see whether I can hear you or not. Just disconnect once and say, okay, you are able to.
Okay.
Can you speak? Mike, still can't get it. Check your volume button. Check your volume button. Something is wrong with it. You must have muted it. Okay. ठीक है. चलो. No problem. Okay. Wear your headphone. At least you are able to hear me out. Right? Chalo. ठीक है. So anybody can give me simple maps and scale. What is maps and scale? Shreya?
So I just told you.
Maps
That is
are
okay. Kavya?
are the
Anybody?
maps are the visual representation of the earth or an area, and a scale is like a ratio between the distance and all.
Okay. Now,
So it's like the ratio which we use to like put something on a map which is of some size or area in the
hmm,
real world.
okay, correct. Okay. So now, what you have basically on A4 size paper, okay, which is your notebook size paper, makes your visual representation of the area and scale indicates the ratio between the. It
Gemini.
is not a visual representative of area. Simple.
ChatGPT.
It is not the only area. Basically, if you see it is exactly replicate the similarity of two dimension, right? There's similarity in two dimension also, three dimension also, and both are similar way to understand. It is the same thing. Now, basically, on A4 size paper, suppose I have a notebook, right? On notebook paper or plain printer paper, can I draw a area of map of Mumbai? Can I draw that? Okay. On the same paper, I can draw a one state, that is Maharashtra. I can do that. Yes or no?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah,
On the same page, can I do it for India?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On the same page, can I do Asia?
Yeah. You can draw anything.
On the same page, can I do a world
Yeah.
map?
Possibly.
Yes, na?
Yeah.
You just have to now see, if you see GPS, okay, if you find some location, you see, you can zoom out, zoom in, right?
Yeah.
What does it mean? It is
You're
basically
zooming in,
changing the
zooming
ratio.
out.
You are zooming out or zooming in means okay, when you zoom in, the ratio becomes lower, and zoom out, the ratio becomes bigger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically,
Yeah.
when you say, suppose you want to go from somewhere, you want to travel 50 or 100 kilometers, right? Or maybe 300 kilometers or even 1000 kilometers. Okay.
Yeah.
You see by road how much time it will take. Maybe it will take 24 hours, it will take 36 hours, it may take 30 hours, it may take 12 hours, it may take 2 hours also, right? Depending on the distance what you are traveling. But you can see what is the estimated time on GPS, Google Map, you can see that, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So it shows, if you see this on the Google Map, you say Mumbai to Delhi, okay, by road. So it will give you a map, it will give you the road infrastructure, it will give you in such a small, Mumbai, Delhi will look like such a distance, Mumbai and Delhi. Okay, so it will take you to travel this distance, it will take you 24 hours or 30 hours, right? Clear? Understood? So how come this is slow? And when you zoom out, when you say, okay, direction, what it'll do? It'll zoom in and you'll show exactly where you are, right? And they'll see, they'll take a left, then take right, then take a highway, then do this. Okay, take a right turn, take a left turn. All this they will tell you, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you say zoom in and zoom out, that is the ratio. Now, one thing. Now, suppose if I have a very basic question, I am asking, very basic question, right? I want everybody to answer this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, today is going to be completely conceptual class. So, I want everybody full attention here. Okay. And if you want to make a note, please make a note simultaneously. Because this is going to be pure concept class. I'm not going to solve any doubts in this. Nothing. I'll solve some of the questions because to make you understand. But it is a completely conceptual class. Okay. You should
Okay.
understand what is the map scale and what is the similarity, because all are present. Now, suppose if I say, what is the ratio
We're doing map scale.
of,
No, sir, it's Aryan artist game.
Oh, shit.
okay. And why didn't you send a message if you're joining late?
No, sir, I forgot, sir.
Come on, yaar, tum log, it is a simple thing. Okay, keep an alarm clock, everybody in the phone. Keep 1 hour, half an hour early or 15 minutes early. Keep 2-3
Okay.
alarms.
Phone.
Okay, I'm not here to remind you everyone. I'm not going to remind every time.
Okay.
And
Sir, even
start
I
the class.
joined.
Those who join, they'll join. Otherwise, go through the recording.
Okay.
Sir, even I
Okay.
joined.
Now, suppose if I have 100
Wait.
kg rice
Sir, even I
versus
joined.
200.
Sir, even I joined.
I know you slept. Okay, now
Yeah,
that is why I want everybody to keep an alarm. Okay, keep in mommy's mobile, dad's mobile. Okay, keep an alarm. Okay, I have fixed date and time. Okay, so now what is, suppose if I write 100, rice is to wheat. 100 is to 200, so it is 1 is to 2. What is the unit I should give here? Or I'll say 1 kg.
kg.
1 kg. And
Yeah.
this is rice. And this is wheat. Okay, I say 500 grams. Okay. Now find rice versus
Run.
wheat. What will get?
So 2:1 grams.
2:1 grams. And what will happen here?
So kg.
Kg.
Yeah.
Very good.
I don't agree.
Why?
So because ratios are not supposed to have the units.
Very good. क्यों नहीं?
It's
Why?
not possible.
Because they just compare one thing to another and they have to be the same unit to be
सही
compared.
जवाब. ये मेरी स्टूडेंट है जो 4 साल से मेरे पास पढ़ रही है. वेरी गुड. ठीक है. Ratio is comparison of 2 or more quantities of the same type and same unit, right?
Yeah.
So if you say, if I take different unit, 1 kg to 500, the ratio will come 1 is to 500. Does not make sense, right? Correct. So ratio does not have a unit. Ratio is a pure number. When I say 1:2, I can use this ratio anywhere I want, right? I can say ratio of my age is 1:2. My age versus anybody else's age, for example, right? Okay, my age versus my dad age. Okay. If
Yeah.
I say this is amount, okay, this is amount of rupees I have, money I have, which is me versus my dad. Okay.
Hmm.
Then I have weight, mass. Okay, this is me versus my dad. Okay. I can have my height. This is me versus my dad.
Yeah.
I can have everything 1:2, anything. Okay, I have food.
Yes.
Okay, 1:2. I have one mango, my dad will have two mangoes. I will have one bread, my dad will have two bread. I'll have 1 gram of sugar, my dad will have 2 grams of sugar. Okay. I have one chapati, my dad will have two chapatis. Clear?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Clearly. So ratio
Yeah.
is a pure
Yeah.
number. Ratio does not have any unit, right? And taking out the ratio, okay, it is if you're somewhere connected with the medical terms, okay, we have uh, body mass index, right? BMI,
Yeah.
right? So what should be your height versus what should be your weight, right? There's some index,
Yeah.
but it is an index, it is not a ratio. You say 1:5. It is not a ratio, it's the index, right? If your
Isn't the
body
percentage?
height is say 5.11 inch, 5 foot 11
I put
inch,
that out.
okay, your weight should be say 80 kgs, for example, right? So this is mapping. If you see the chart, height and weight, you will have some chart, right? It's the index chart. Correct? It's the indexation it is done, how it has to be drawn, but it is not a ratio, right? Clear? Understood? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Would believe.
Okay. Now, if you see here that ratio is small unit. So whenever you say maps in scale, so any map you see on the top, they will write the scale, right? They don't write map because map any which is you're seeing, right? They will write a scale. 1:200,000. Okay. 1:5. 1:1 million. Okay. So it depends on what scale you will make. What does it mean? What does it mean? Scale means obviously it is reduced, right? Because the map will be of any land, okay, any city, any state, any country, any continent, anything, right? So when you have something map, what does it mean? What this indicates? Suppose 1:5 is very rare, it cannot happen. But then you have 1:50,000 or 2:30,000 or 1:, usually it is reduced to lowest term. So that is, or you can have 1:1000. Very rarely this kind of thing comes, but it is not reducible, then you can do it. But otherwise, it is always 1:, something, right? Now, what does it
Yeah.
1:, something or 1:50,000, 1:2 lakh, 1:1 million? What does indicate?
So it
This is the
means
most
like one
this is the most
centimeter.
important concept. This is the most important concept of maps and scale. You should know very clearly. If you know this concept, you will never have a problem in maps and scales. Not even similarity. Yes. Tell me.
So it means like 1 centimeter on the map is equal to that many centimeters actually.
Very good. Correct. Absolutely correct. Which is
Hmm.
map versus actual. Right? What is the physical present? So when you have 1 centimeter here, you will have 200,000 centimeter in actual, right? Because this is always a linear ratio. Ratio is always linear in nature, right? You
Hmm.
got it? Now, when you say, suppose if I want something, or suppose I have a rectangle, for example, like this, right? Okay. I have 2 centimeter and here I have 5 centimeter, right? So what is the area on a map? It is 10 centimeters square. Correct? So what is my actual area? Can you say what is my actual area? What is the actual area?
What? Is that a 5, 6, or what?
10 centimeter area already calculated here. You don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Chalo.
So what's the scale?
Scale is this.
Okay, just times by 10.
10 multiplied by
10. 10 times 200,000.
correct. So it will be
2 yeah,
centimeter square. Do you agree?
yes.
Yeah.
Everybody
So why
agrees?
does it say 1 centimeter is equal to 200,000 centimeters?
Because that's the scale value.
It's a scale, na? This is scale.
But it can't be equal to it. It's like
No,
this.
it is
It's
not a ratio.
proportional to.
Doesn't
It
matter.
is not ratio. Ratio I have given here, beta. I have given ratio here. Scale. This is a scale,
Well,
right?
sir, what you can just do is, like, you can write like 10 centimeters here.
You
Okay,
can
then
write
you have to
10.
times by 10.
Correct. You can write.
And then do the same for both sides.
Correct. Very
And
good.
then you're done.
Very good.
Very good.
So do you agree?
Yeah.
Everybody understood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. So everybody thinks this is, suppose I want to calculate on meter square or kilometer square, you can do that, right?
Wait,
Yeah.
sir, can you repeat? I didn't hear.
No. What I'm saying is,
1 meter.
have you understood what Arav has said? This is going to be area.
Oh, 1 second.
Everybody agrees
Yeah,
this?
that's the area.
Yeah.
Very good. ठीक है. चलो, Kavya agrees.
Yeah.
Shreya agrees. Dhruv agrees. Arav obviously
So,
agrees. Vivan, you
so
have to write
what did
clearly.
Arav say again?
Arav is multiply the multiplying factor to 10 multiplied by 2 lakh. Yeah, agree. Vivan agrees.
So okay, like that.
Hmm.
Oh no, sir, I don't agree.
क्या हो गया?
So don't you have to multiply each side first and then multiply
No,
the?
Fawaz, it doesn't matter. You can always do that also.
So then it's fine.
Very good. ठीक है ना?
That takes much longer.
वेरी गुड.
Of
चलो,
course.
तो ये भी हो गया. कौन बच गया अभी? 1 2 3 4 5 6. कौन? Aryan dot C.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yeah.
Very good. ठीक है. चलो, all
Wait,
agrees.
You know
That
it.
means
It's wrong.
yeah, sir,
What is
because
wrong?
you have to multiply 5 by 20,000.
नहीं, but suppose
That,
you want to see, I have area given, right?
yeah.
I want to give area. I want to convert directly area to actual area. Do I need to have this length versus breadth or breadth versus this thing? I should not necessarily, right?
Yeah.
I can directly convert. I should be able to convert directly, right?
So you have to add like the number, like multiply by that plus more zeros because it's squared. So
Correct. अब सही है, right?
it
So that means you have to multiply 10 into this multiply by
multiplied by that. Yeah.
double time. Because when you multiply, this will become what? This will become 400,000, right? This will become, when 2 multiply by 2 lakh or 200,000 or 5 multiply by, it will become 1 million, right?
Yeah.
Yes,
This is
sir.
the centimeter in actual.
So
So
can
when
I
you
get the water,
multiply
please?
this, you will get 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इधर तक है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your area.
So that's so much more complicating.
No, it is not complicated. I'll tell you. I make it simple. Don't worry, darling.
Well, sir, can I go to the bathroom, please?
Yes. इतना बड़ा नंबर देके बाथरूम आ गया. चलो जाओ. Go fast and come. Right? Understood? Now, usually they ask you,
Yeah.
okay, so this is wrong. Right? This is correct. Okay. So actual area. Okay, this is actual area. Right? Sharil was saying right, but I wanted to confuse him. Right? He was saying
Oh,
right. कि पहले इसको multiply करो, फिर इसको multiply करो, then you multiply. So basically what he is trying to tell you is every side. I told you ratio is a linear one, right? You
yeah.
got it? Ratio is a linear scale. So centimeter will be centimeter. It cannot be square. If you want to square, both the side will multiply with the multiply factor, which is your ratio, and then you have to find it. Or when it is square, even square will square, right? Length into breadth. So both will be, even the scalar or the scale, which will also be squared, right? Now comes the problem. Okay, how will I do this if I have to do? Okay. Now question says, the question says map area. Map, this is question, right? Map area is equal to 10 centimeter square. Okay. What it says, find actual area in kilometer square. Now what do you do?
Convert.
This is a question, right? So how will you solve this now? Now you got already 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, right? This is map and this is actual, right?
Yeah.
And this is map scale. It is map versus this is scale, right? So what do you do? 1 centimeter
Yeah.
equal to 2000 meter. Can I write?
Yeah. So 1 centimeter is equal to 2 kilometers.
Yeah.
1 centimeter equal to 2 kilometer, right? Or this is once you do it. So 1 into 1 centimeter square will be 2 into 2 kilometer square, right? So scale will become 1 centimeter square is equal to 4 kilometer square. Now this is becomes a linear. 10
Yeah.
centimeter square will be 40 kilometer, right? And if you want to convert this is the easiest method you can do it, right? This is the easiest method if you want to do it.
Oh,
But even if you want to do this, okay, 1 kilometer is equal to
1,000 meters.
Yeah.
1 lakh centimeter, right? This is a conversion.
Yeah.
So 1 kilometer equal to 10 raised to 5 centimeter, and 1 kilometer square is equal to 10 raised to 10 centimeter square, right? So you just remove this from here, remove, divide by this will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So just remove, divide by this, divide by 10 raised to 10, which will give you kilometer square, which will be 40 kilometer square. But this is too much of writing. So I usually tell, do it here and then find the area, right? Area or perimeter, whatever you want to, right?
Yeah.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. सही जवाब विवान. ठीक है. My class has become too silent today. है ना?
Yeah, too
है ना?
much.
Too
No one's
much.
talking.
Nobody's talking. Uh,
Probably because, oh, I know why.
this is
Because
better.
everyone talks a lot.
This is better format, right?
Yeah, well, I don't know what's happening. So messy.
So everybody able to understand, right? Chalo.
Nope.
Okay. So I'm going to send you this. Understood? Now same
Yeah.
thing. Suppose now I'm going to from here. I'm going to take you to similarity, right? What similarity means?
Something that's same.
Same हो गया तो वही हो गया ना. What is similarity?
Something that has the same
Similarity means what?
Something
Same
that has
when
the
they have
same
the
ratio.
same ratio. Yeah.
same shape, but size is not same, but in okay. I'll just writing and I'll put it, but in proportion. That is similarity. Now, I'll give you a very simple example. I'll write here. Okay. I given you writing also, like a small babies. I put it on the group also, right? Similarity is same shape and different size. Different size, but and different size, but in proportion, right? What does it mean? What does this mean? Okay, I'll give you some example. Will you be able to tell me?
Okay.
Good. And then I'll ask some question also. So you have to scale factor. Okay, good. ठीक है. आ गया.
So
Okay,
we do that in first terms.
ठीक है. It's a scale factor. Now I'll draw something for you, right?
Oh,
Vivan, you can tell me yes or no, right? This is one, and I'll draw another one. So this is, and I'll give dimension also, don't worry. This is 2 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter. This will be 4 centimeter, and this will be 9 centimeter. Both are rectangle, both are right angle, so don't worry. But this is both are identical shapes. Okay, both are right angle. They are both are same. Okay. So
So
can
how is
you
it
tell
possible?
me, are they similar? Yes
No,
or
it's
no?
not.
yeah. They have a scale factor of 2. I mean,
No,
no, they're not similar. They're not similar. Actually, they're not
they're
No,
similar.
it's
not.
not.
They're not similar. They're not similar
Kyun? Why?
because they have
Because
different scale
practically,
Because
factors for
if
the
you have to
content.
multiply it by 3 and the 3 centimeters multiplied by 3 and the 2 centimeters multiplied by 2.
The 2
what
square
is
and 3
graphing?
square. What is the
No, but
problem?
sir, both of them have to
Sir,
be
but it's
same
not
and that be
linear.
You should
and it has to be
So,
four.
square.
Yeah, you have to do
wait,
four.
wait, wait.
What
So
happened?
basically,
Wait, you have to do
uh,
4
Sir, the
divided by.
ratio isn't linear.
Correct. Anna?
It's
Although both are
square. No?
they're
hey,
both
Buddha
rectangles.
square. कौन बोला
I'm
है?
wrong.
No, the numbers are square.
Both are rectangles. The all angles are equal, right? All angles
Yeah.
are equal, but they are still not similar, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because size is not proportional, right? So
yeah.
to be size in a proportion, it has to be 40 centimeter, or
6.
this has to be 60 centimeter, right? Now it is
Yeah.
proportional, right? Or if I want to take this as 90 centimeter or 9 centimeter, this has to be how much?
That has to
6.
be 6.
6 centimeter, right? The
Yeah,
ratio has to be same to be similar, right? Clear?
yeah.
So what does it? Shape, same shape. Both are rectangle, same shape. Yes. The different size,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
but in proportion. Different size is okay, but it has to be in proportion, right?
Yeah.
Correct? Then only
Yeah.
it is called a similarity, otherwise it is not a similarity. So, jitna length badega, whatever, see, how much is the length will increase? In the same proportion or same factor, the radius will increase, the height will increase, the breadth will increase, the depth will increase, every single component, every single side will increase in the same proportion. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Whether it can be 2 times, whether it can be 5 times, it can be half time, it can be 3 upon 8 times, it can be anything, right? Doesn't matter. This factor does not matter whether it is a fraction, whether it is a decimal, whether it is 2.3, whether 5.5, it does not matter, right? But it has to be uniform throughout the all sides. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Now, I will draw one cuboid, right? Chalo. I'll draw one cuboid for you, and you tell me, and ask you simple question for you, right? I'll draw one cuboid. Can you see the cuboid? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Chalo. I'll say this is height is 2 centimeter. Okay. This is 7 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. Correct? Clear? Okay. Now I increase. Listen very carefully. Okay. Okay. If I increase each side by 2 times, what will be effect on surface area and volume? Tell me. Now, for your simplicity, I given you the dimensions also, right? But I can give you this as P centimeter, Q centimeter, and R centimeter. Now do it. Now what will happen? Tell me.
Uh, so it'll be current surface area will be uh 2 2 PQ
No, 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 no.
plus
I
2
said,
PR.
I did not say what will the surface area. Did I say what is the surface area? What did I
No,
ask? What will the effect on the surface area?
it will increase
How much?
Double.
8 times.
Very good. Surface area will become 8 times. And what will happen to volume?
Volume will also increase by 8 times, I think.
Huh?
Volume
Volume
will
also will increase
also
by 8 times.
No, sir. Volume will be 8 and then surface area will be 4.
Oh, very good. Now,
how?
forget about the
Good man.
length, right?
No,
What is
sir.
the value? Will be okay. ये क्या बोल रहा है? They are not similar. No, not similar. ये क्या बोल रहा है? कब का बोल रहा है? Okay, that is for earlier one. Okay, ठीक है. चलो. Now, if I calculate here, what is, for example, okay, what is area?
Base times
Area will
height.
be length into breadth or breadth into height
Yeah.
or length into height. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. This is one area of one cube, right? One face. Area of one face. Any one face, right? So what are you doing? You are multiplying. So what will happen? This will become the new area.
Yeah.
What will happen? 2 length into 2 breadth or 2 breadth into 2 height or 2 length into 2 height. Correct?
So can I keep my video off? You're lagging.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay. It is 2 length and 2 height. Clear?
Hmm.
So what will happen when you take out 2 as it will become 2 and sorry, it will become 4 LB or 4 BH or 4 LH, which is nothing but a 4 times of old area, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? And what will the volume become? Volume will become 2 into L into B into H.
Yeah.
It is 2L into 2B into 2H, which will become L into LBH. So
Yeah.
this new volume will be equal to 8 times of the old volume. Correct? Which is
Yes.
nothing but a 2 cube, which is 2 times, and this will be 2 square. So area becomes square,
Yeah.
which is square of dimension, and volume will become cube of dimensions, right? Understood?
Oh,
Clear?
yes, sir.
Very
Yes.
good.
Sir.
Everybody is clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir.
Yeah.
So it has to come in proportion, correct?
Yeah.
Now, usually they don't ask, but if I tell you, okay, now write down, I'll give you different this thing. Length is doubled, breadth is 1.5 times,
Yeah.
and height is triple. Okay. Now it is not a similar, huh? It is not a similar anymore. But what will the effect on the volume? The length is doubled, the breadth is 1.5 times, and height is triple. So, what is the effect? This type of question they usually don't ask, but I'm just teaching you the concept, right?
Yeah.
So, can you find what is the effect on the volume?
It'll increase by 9 times.
Very good. Everybody is clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir.
Or do you want the explanation how it has to be done?
Explanation.
Huh?
Explanation.
Explanation. Very good. Can you do this what I did for the volume?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me what exactly it did. Okay. What it did. What did I tell you? How much is length, breadth, and height? This is my old one.
2, 1.5, and 3.
2, 1.5, and 3. This is my new length, new breadth, and new height, right? So what is the volume for this? Volume will be equal to L into B into H, right? And what is the volume for this? Volume new, volume old. What is volume? 2 into L into 1.5 B into 3 times of H, correct? So can I multiply 2 into 1.5 into 3, which will become 9 times of LBH. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So this is new volume will be equal to 9 times of the old volume. That's it, done. Understood, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay.
So can you send me a screenshot? I want to
Yes.
like revise it out after.
Yes. But this kind of question they will not ask. But for you to understand what exactly is happening, you should know. Because this is not similarity, right?
Oh,
This is
yeah.
not similarity. Because why it is not similarity?
Because they don't have the same scale factor.
Correct. Because all are not changing with the same scale factor, right? That is why it is not a similarity. So you will not ask, but at least I'm telling you, sometimes in somewhere, if they ask, very rarely possible is 0.1%, right? At least you
Yeah.
should know what exactly it means and how to calculate them, right? Even without giving any dimension. They have not given any dimension, right? I have also not given any dimension, right? 4 meter or 5 meter or 7 centimeter or 2 centimeter, I have not given anything, right? But still you can calculate, right? Depending on this.
Yeah.
Now comes the main part, right? Main formula, which you should do. Okay, and I'm going to send you all this document and this, not this one, but what document I'm going to send. I want you to write in your book with your name on the top and has to be sent on my on the group, right? Exactly copy whatever document I'm sending you, download that, keep it on your this thing. And unless you tell me, okay, sir, I've downloaded this, I don't get a confirmation. Every time you have to send me every lecture, whatever screenshot I'm sending you, everyone I should send, I should get, sir, I've downloaded all things and keep it on my Google Drive. I want confirmation every single day. Is it clear? Every single lecture. Whatever documents I send it to you, you have to confirm, sir, I have downloaded all the documents, all the screenshot and uploaded into my Google Drive. I have the copy with the sector wise, right? With the topic wise. Clear? Understood?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I want without fail, if you don't send, if you don't confirm, if you don't write on the WhatsApp active, you will not be allowed in my class. I don't care if you connect, if you come or you don't come to my class. Because I am not here to give you average percentage, right? My target is what? Everybody should score how much?
100%.
One more.
100.
Huh?
100.
100. What says? Somebody says A plus. Who said A plus? Or A star? Huh? A star is the second option, right? First, you should aim for 100 on 100. You got it? I want every one of you to score 100 on 100.
So you can't get more than A plus.
Huh?
You can't get more than A plus.
I'm not concerned with the grade. I am concerned with the marks. Not a single mark should get deducted from your exam, right?
Good job.
Yeah.
You get A star as a grade, but you get a mark sheet also. You know that?
Yeah.
Very good. So in that you get 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. All from 90 plus. Everybody will get A star, right?
Yeah.
But still you will remember the person who scored 100 on 100. You remember or not? Suppose in exam, somebody get full marks. You remember that person? Yes. Nobody remembers 99. Nobody remembers who scored 98. Is it clear? And you
Yeah.
are all capable of doing that. And I'm teaching you the way it should be. That is not a single doubt I'll solve, right? Not a single question. Only thing is, I want you to put the similar effort what I'm giving you in my class.
Yeah.
Right? So those who
Yes,
are
sir.
not, and everywhere, make sure. Okay, I started 2 months ago. I started with grade 9. I've given everybody break for 1 month. I have not taken any break for your class.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yes.
I've not taken. I have revised multiple topics multiple times. Equation of life revised so many times, right?
Yeah.
Similarity, again, we are doing maps and scale. We have already done. I'm still doing it again. Okay. We have done mensuration. Again, you have doubt. Again, we'll do it. Okay. Circle theorem, we have revised. Graph, we have revised. Right? All this will revise, but only thing is, I want you to have a serious effort or serious note. Whatever I want everybody's confirm on every session, after every session. So I have downloaded and I put it on my Google Drive. And please
Yeah.
make sure that you topic wise, I'll review your drive once. Randomly, I'll pick up anybody and say, share your screen and show me your drive. So
Okay.
make sure that you make sure, and if you want to put a note, sir, I started downloading from May 31st or May 2025. So even something before that, I tried downloading it. If you have anything, if you have
Yeah.
something missing, please let me know, sir. All these documents send me. I want to store it in my drive. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Chalo. I can easily put it on the Google Classroom, but I know it is of no use. Nobody is going to check that. That is why I send it on a WhatsApp because it is very handy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. So
I think Google Classroom is better.
huh?
Can you sell on both?
No, because it takes my double the time, right? And I want you to spend some time on this because when you download, when you write, okay, you will do something, right? Otherwise, all the document which I send, it is of no use to you because
But can you
nobody
just put it
refers
on
it later on.
Classroom then?
Because nobody refers it later on, right? And that is
So can you
why,
just put it on Classroom?
sorry,
Can you just put it on Classroom? Because more like neat and like easier to understand.
now classroom,
It's
beta,
more
I put it,
organized.
I put all the documents of classroom, it will get full, right? I have 30 GB of my WhatsApp backup. Okay. Classroom is
Yeah.
only 15 GB and I have multiple classes. How much I'll put it on classroom? Okay. I put in a link also, but I'm sharing any which ways, right? It is
Yeah.
there in the document. Why I'm sending WhatsApp? Because WhatsApp is very handy. For your reference, WhatsApp sometime it is not downloaded, so you download it and keep it on your Google Drive. How much time it takes? Hardly anything, right? It hardly takes any time to copy and put it on the Google Drive, right? I always share that. I always do that, right? All the documents, all the books, I get it on WhatsApp only for different groups. Okay, I send it on the different groups on the WhatsApp. They download. Whichever they download, they want to keep it, they keep it and put it on Google Drive. What is the issue?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So it is willingness to do it, beta. Okay, see.
Okay.
Now see, my drive is not mapped right now. Okay, I'll show you here. Can you see this? I usually have 4 drive maps. I don't have, I just check. It is not mapped here, right? So did I stop my class? Did I restart my computer? No, it is not done. I can always go to Google Drive directly and I show it to you, right? See, I'll show you 1 minute. Kither gaya? Okay. I just say screenshot. Okay. Now there are more than 700, 800 screenshots. Now it is very difficult for me to search. Okay, right? Similarity. Got it? All the
Yeah.
document I got on the similarity. Wherever there is similarity document, okay, I got it. It is there in the paper also.
Yeah.
Okay, I got these papers also, right? See, wherever there is similarity word, even in the document, it is showing me, right? So what I'm doing, see? Acha, this is a video. This one. This is what I've written. This is one. This is a rectangle is L length. This is a question. Is there a relation of new parameter? This is what I just explained, right? It is double. What will happen? What will happen to the parameter? What will happen to the parameter? If I double the length, if I double the height, if I double the breadth or whatever, 2 dimension, what will happen to the parameter? Come on, quickly. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Read this question. What will happen to the parameter? What is the relation between them? The old parameter and new parameter. Come on. Now, after explanation, you should be able to answer this, right?
Yeah.
So there is relation.
To
Yeah.
what relation?
Yeah.
It's the scale factor is 2
No, no.
and
What will happen
Yeah.
to parameter? What will happen to
oh
area?
the new parameter will be like 4 times the original one.
Very good. What will happen to area?
Uh, and the area will be uh,
The area.
Huh? New area will be what? What is the new area? Huh?
The area becomes 4 times.
Then what is the perimeter?
Mm,
What will become the perimeter?
It will be double.
Huh? It will double. And what will happen to volume?
Volume.
It is a simple calculation. Just now I told you everything. We have solved live. Okay, still you take so much of time. Perimeter is what? L plus B. 2 times of L plus B. That is the old one. What will happen? 2 times of 2L plus 2B. Right? 2 will common. It will become 4 times of L plus B. Right? What is the original one? 2 times of L plus B. This will get, it will be 2 times. Because it is addition of the perimeter. Right? It is addition of a what? It is the addition of length. It is not multiplication. When you multiply, it becomes 4 times, 8 times. Okay. See here. Yes, both will be similar. Okay. The new perimeter will double and the new area will be 4 times of the old one respectively. Right? Because explanation kya hai? Old old one is what? P times of 2, 2 times of this and 2 times of this thing, 2 times of the old one. And length will be, it will be 4 times. New perimeter will be the same dimension increase or decrease, right? The area will be square or square root of the given dimension increase or decrease respectively, right? If it is increase, it will be square. If decrease, it will be square root. Correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Cuboid has a length L, breadth L. The similar with the surface area volume will be old, right? Is there any relation? Will it call it a similar solid? Yes. They'll be called as similar because the multiplying factor is the same. The
Yeah.
surface area will be square of the times of the side increase. That is 2 into 2, 4 times. And the volume will be cube times of the side increase. 2 into 2, it will be 8 times the whole surface area. Clear? Understood,
Yeah.
everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Next. This is the same thing what I explained, right? 2 and 3. Any shape is solid to be similar. All corresponding angles should be equal and corresponding should be proportional, right? The proportion is from the multiplication, division, relation. The ratio of corresponding sides should be equal. The power and addition subtraction is not allowed. Are these two rectangles similar? What is your answer? No, right?
Yeah.
Because it is squaring 2 square and 3 square, which is not allowed. Power and roots and addition, subtraction, generation 3 is not allowed. Correct? Next.
Yeah.
This is the same thing what I've given. That comes the additional math paper. Okay, understood, everyone?
Yes.
Now this is of 2014, exactly 1 year ahead of this, right? I've taken the similarity. If you want, I can send you this document also.
Yeah.
Okay. Achha, similar. This is something different.
Was prime.
This is not with this. Okay. Beta. One minute. Okay. So now I'll send you all this. 1, 2, 3,
So may I go drink water?
4. Yeah. Okay. And there is one more similarity. I'll give you this document. Let me see if I have that or no. Okay. I don't know either I'll be able to send you this directly from here or not. I have to download and send it to you. But I'll definitely send it to you. Similarity, I have something in a different uh, site. tell me to send it or not. I'll not able to send. I'll send it from my different group. Okay. There is one more document I have. My drive. Search. Triangle. Congruency. Similarity write-up concept.
Sir, my network is bad. Can I turn off
Okay.
my camera?
I'll send you this similarity write-up. Similarity. One more important document is there which I made it, right? Which is very important for similarity. I'll just tell you what it is, right? Chalo. Suppose, okay, let me see. I have a backup. Hold on. I should have a backup for this. Yeah. देखो, I have Google Drive also and I kept the backup on the drive also. इधर मिल जाएगा, देखो, है ना? Because this is very old document, so I should have it here. I mentioned the time also. See, 2015, 1/2015, right? So you'll find it here. It is. Similarity. Okay, so this is a document which I gave you. Okay, this is what I explained, right? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. One more thing. Okay, this I already done. This is done. This one. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Take a similarity ratio concept. What is happened? Perimeter upon perimeter 2. Now I'm comparing this. It is side 1 upon side 2. This is the ratio, right? Area upon area 2 will be side 1 upon side 2, the square. And this is volume 1 upon volume 2 is side 1 upon side 2, the whole square, right? Whole cube, right? Because volume happens what? Each side 3 times, right? So
Yeah.
there are two objects which I am giving, two are similar. So when you want to find the perimeter, the ratio of the perimeter and a side will always remain the same. And this is the most important concept, either in a Mapson scale or if you get in a similarity also, right? When you have 3 dimension, the only difference in Mapson scale is you don't have a model, right? Now you have 3 dimension model. There you have to use the volume. So volume comes, it becomes cube. When the area comes, it becomes square. And when the perimeter comes, it will become single layer, right? Now, if you want to find the side 1 upon side 2, you will say it is the same thing here. Here it will be root of it and here it will be cube root of it, right? Clear? So if I take side 1 upon side 2, which will be perimeter 1 upon perimeter 2, which is the root of area 1 upon area 2, cube root of volume 1 upon volume 2. And from here, if I want to drive this, area 1 upon area 2 will be 2 upon 3 of this. This time very rarely used, but you should know the concept, right? Ideally, what you should do from area to go to a square and then you do the cube, right? Or from volume, you do the cube root, you get a ratio of side and then make the square to get the area. Sometimes they ask, area is in the ratio of 4:9. Find the volume, ratio of the volume. Suppose if I give you volume, which is very simple question, but I'm just asking. Area 1 upon area 2 is in the ratio of 4:9. Find the volume of these two similar objects. What is the value? Can anybody tell me? Yes?
So would it be 16 and 81?
16 and 81, right? Wrong.
One second. Hold on. Oh,
Zero?
so would it be 8 and 27?
Yes, correct. And only one person is trying out of all this. So what is side 1 upon side 2?
So I just did
2:3,
root 4/9,
and it will
and
be
then I did.
2:3, the whole cube, which will be 8:27.
Yeah.
So what I did, I just like rooted 4/9,
Correct. So that
and
is
then I
what I
got
got a
2/3.
side 1 upon side 2, right? Side 1 is to side
Yeah.
2, I'll get, right? So you get a length versus length. It is 2:3, right? So then when you cube it, it will give 8 into 8:81. Sorry, 8:27. Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I am sending you all the similarity documents on this thing, right? Similarity concept. Old one is क्या है इसमें check करता हूँ. What is the old one? Okay, this is I think the same one. Yeah, the same one. So I'll remove one. And this is the final one. This is the most important one, right? This is the most important slide. Now, next class, what I'll be doing is, next class, okay, I'll allow only those person, okay, those who confirm me and reply me on a WhatsApp, right? I am not doing here that I am coming, delivering lecture and you do paying attention, right? I want everybody to confirm, okay, that yes, I have downloaded all the screenshot, all the concept papers, all the documents and keep it on my drive, right?
Yeah.
You can see the classic example, right? I have backup of backup, right? I have taken a backup of the complete drive, although I have on a Google Drive, right? I have taken a local backup also. Can you see? And I mentioned the date also on what day I have taken a backup. Again, I will take all the backup, okay, override everything which is on currently. After every 3, 4, 5 months, I take a backup of it, right? Clear? So next time, okay, I'll give you a assignment. Okay.
So what can you repeat? I got logged off.
I'll give you assignment. Wait, let me open the David Reiner. Okay. I'll just stop this. Okay, where is the David Reiner? Yeah, David Reiner book. Maps and Skills 91. 92. Okay. Ratio proportion. This is done. Maps and Skills, right? So whatever I explained, it is given here. Okay.
Yeah.
3.2a. Okay. This is very small exercise, very small. It will not take even 10 minutes to do it. Okay. Area of the scale, 8 questions. Here, 3.2. It is again 8 questions. That's it. 16 question. I'm going to give you one simple exercise. 3.2 A and B. combined with a similarity. Similarity will be, let me check where is the similarity. Similarity,
So similarity is in mensuration.
mensuration. Yeah, it is 178. Yeah, similarity, right? 5.7. So this is, I want you to write every question, every answer. Okay. Area of similar shapes, then you will have volume of the similar shapes, right? 5 point.
Yeah.
Okay. You will have volume, right?
Yes, sir.
This is same thing. And this is very important exercise. Area, volume of the similar objects. Correct? That's it. Okay. Then you have revision exercise. I'm going to give you 10 days to do it. Kitna?
10.
And
And
Because it is going to be very useful exercise. And I want everybody to do each one of this. Now, if you have a diagram here, okay, you can do a simple liner. Okay, you just write similarity because it is with the this thing side and they're going to area. So you write the formula, what I've written exactly like that, and you can solve them, right? Whatever you need to do for your ease, what you should write, whatever you want. Okay, you should write this, whatever is required here to be found. For example, y upon 270. Okay, sorry, y is the area, right? They're gonna length marked by the question 9 and 14, length are marked. Okay, length are marked, right? I don't know what is marked. Volume, either hai. Okay, I'll just check this. Okay, suppose volume 1 upon volume 2. Volume 1 upon 54 equal to 8 upon 12, the whole cube. Correct? Always do this. Okay, if cube is not possible, keep it as it is, right? And you have to find volume 1 equal to, this is 2 upon 3. So it is 2 into 2 into 2 to 54 divided by 3 into 3 into 3. So it will be 27 and this will be 2. So volume 1 will be equal to 16 unit cube. That's it. This
So
will,
it's always cubed.
huh?
It's always cubed.
Always?
Is it always cubed?
Volume, right, is
Oh yeah.
volume will be cube, right? If it is area, it will be square, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you just check this area. Get the area, right? Area will be doubled. Area 4
Yeah.
centimeters square. So area will be double. That is why I want you to do each and every question, right? This is 11 question here, 5.7b. This is 17. This
Keep
is,
on classroom.
I'll put it on the classroom. Don't worry. 17 and 12, almost 30. 30 and 12. 40, 40, 41. 41 and this is 24. 40 and 24 is what? 40 plus 25, 65. 65 plus 16, that, right? So it is 80 question. Okay, let me give you odd and even. Chalega?
yes,
yeah,
Okay.
Okay. So I'll give you odd and even. Now what you need to do is, you need to solve this and you have to check the answers also. And if you have any doubt, I want you to put this doubt in next 10 days, right? I am not going to repeat this now and I'm not giving you extension of time, whether you are here, whether you are not there, right? Now, if I say 80 questions, divide by 2, you get 40 questions and I'm giving 10 days to do it. So practically 4 sums in a day. It is easily, very easily doable, right?
Yeah.
If you take total amount, even if you take 40 questions, okay, even you take 4 minutes to do it, okay, it is 160 minutes, which is total 3 hours, maximum 4 hours. If you take 4 hours, even you take 8 days, it is half an hour in a day. I'm giving you 10 days to do it, right? So it should not be a problem at all, right? So, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give you this the
I'm there.
classroom. Okay. I'm going to write. Why I'm writing in front of you. So you should know, sir, I don't know what to do, how to do it, what exactly you're given, right? So I'm writing this very clearly, what exactly you are supposed to do it, right?
Yeah.
Not 8, 9, 10. Map, skills, similarity. Correct? Okay. Exercise. What was the exercise for similarity? Sorry. For this thing, what was the financial mathematics? What was the similarity का किधर था? What was the similarity? Map sense scale, sorry, 91, which is 3.2. Okay. Exercise 3.2, all. Okay. All sums. Total 16 sums, right?
Yeah.
And you have exercise 5.7. All ABCD, yeah? When I'm saying 5.7, you have to do all this. 5.7, each exercise is sub-exercise, odd, even. Correct? So here you will have 80 minus 60, 64. So 32 questions each student, right? Approximately. This is approx, right? So don't say 32 ho gaya, sir, I have stopped it, right? So it is 48 questions in and all, correct? And I'm giving you 10 days to do it. And this is, I'm going to give very seriously. This is 1. This is 8 days, 9 and 10. So on Monday, 9th of June, I'm giving this to do it. I'm not going to allow you anything. If you're going out, please make sure that you submit your assignment and go. Okay. And whenever you're doing, make sure that it is there in your mensuration. Okay. I'm taking this mensuration only. Okay. If it is there, make sure that it is checked at the end of the book, right? Keep on checking your answers, whether you're doing right or wrong. Reason being is that if you have this habit of checking the answers, because I've given you, if you are giving wrong somewhere, at least you'll correct, or if you're not understanding, you'll post it out. Is it clear?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
Understood, everyone?
Yeah.
Now, please don't
Yeah.
come back to me, sir, I have not, because I'm going to send this report to your parent, every individual. If you're not doing it, I don't want that student in my class.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay? Sure. See you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Right.